Hello everyone, welcome back to Faith and Fern Studio. Today I am at the Monroe Fairgrounds at the Vintage Market and I am so excited. Look at all of these awesome vendors. I love all of their booths. Hey! Sorry. So I'm gonna take you, look at the Pennywise distraction. This Pennywise is like 8 feet tall. Wow. Yes. So I'm just bringing you along. Yeah. Look at this adorable tent.
Oh, I'm so glad you did so.
Thank you. Okay. Ooh, bookmarks. Fall into a good book. Oh my God, that is so cute. Look at this. I love these. Ooh, freshies. Let's smell. Oh, that smells delicious. I can smell it through the bag. It's a little unicorn. Awesome. Oh, there's only one left. Okay, I'm gonna think about that for a second. That is so cute. All I need is Jesus and coffee. Oh. Look at that glitter. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get these 2 stickers. What else do I want? Are these coasters in here?
Yes.
Flower coasters, 15. Oh my gosh, there's 2. Look at how cute these are. That is so stinking cute. Okay. And I love this cup. Oh, it's so fall. Do you mind if I set this at your counter?
No problem.
Thank you. I'm definitely getting those. These are pretty earrings. All right. Did you make these?
Yes.
I love these. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. I love that. Now this is so classy. Oh wow, only $5. Okay, can I hold this up there too?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Oh, what is this?
So everything in these
sale,
bins
everything.
are $1.
Really? Everything
Yes.
in here?
Rebrand sale.
Okay. What is this? Apple pie. Oh, that sounds good. Oh, and they're like little seashells. Okay, I want this one. Thank you so much for holding all my stuff.
Do you want me to go ahead and put it in the bag for you?
Oh, yes, please. Yes. Thank you so much. I'm going to take a look at these earrings. Little ghosts. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's pink. Wait. There's 2 colors of pink. Okay. These are so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna put. I think I messed that one up.
Those ghosts are my favorite.
I know, they're sparkly. I love these. Okay. What else is there? Oh my gosh. It's a little mini octo. This is so soft. I love this. Okay. Pink is my color today. I love the glitter in these. Are these clay?
Yes. They are
Nice.
handmade.
Oh, those are unique.
Clay earrings.
I love those. Oh, French fries. Oh, okay. I gotta get out of your booth. I'm gonna spend too much. Okay. Oh, and I didn't even get to finish looking through. These are $1,
yes, you
right?
have to get some of those. They last forever. Yes,
Everything's
$1.
buttered with cheese. Oh, that is awesome. Ooh, I see this one too. Oh,
Did you want the sticker? Or
yes, please. I'm sorry. I'm just like putting it on the table. He is faithful. And these are magnetic bookmarks?
Yes.
That is so
page.
cool. Okay. What even is my total? Don't tell me yet. Okay. All right. So thank you so much. This stuff is so cute. I love your booth. Thank you for letting me record in here. Your booth is so cute. All right. Thank you so much for bagging all of my stuff. And this is so cute too. I might have to, no, I think I'm done. But I think I'm gonna take a picture of this because I think my sister would love this. All right.
I'm actually gonna put this promo card in the bag. So when you get home, check out faithandfernstudios.com. It has all of our products on our website. I think you would really love it.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for
Oh, it's got a
shopping
QR
with
code.
us.
Awesome.
Yes, and it has a QR code as well.
15% off. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
Enjoy all the stuff.
Thank you. All right, to the next booth.